Hi, I'm Freddy. I'm Indonesian.
I'm Maulana. I'm from Indonesia.
Hi, I'm Aji. I'm Indonesian.
Indonesia.
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 Indonesia. Officially Republic of Indonesia.
Indonesia is big country.
Indonesia consists of various islands. It's the world's largest island country. Indonesia has many differences. Difference is a power, the power to Indonesia.
Peace is not unity in similarity, but unity in the diversity, in the comparison and conciliation of difference.
We may have different religions, different language, and different color skin, but we all belong to one human race.
I cannot and will not judge by what my eyes may see, for the skin on a man shall not reveal his true identity.
In the dark, equality for all of mankind could not seem brighter.
It is time for parents to teach young people on that in diversity there is beauty and there is strength.
I have a dream that my little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. United we stand, divided we fall. We are Indonesia!